Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and today we are solving ISI MSQE paper PEA Solutions 2025. So today we have picked up question 4 and here we are solving, we are being given from macroeconomics, the question is being given. So let's solve it out. So the consumption function is being given by 20 plus 0.8 y minus t, and investment is being given 10, G is being given 10, T is being given 10, and imports being given and exports being given. Okay. So now Y is a domestic output and Y star is a foreign output respectively. So further it is assumed that the foreign economy is characterized by the same equation. So value of the multiplier we have to find it out. Okay. So now to find out the value of the multiplier, we know that the national income identity for open economy is being represented by y is equal to c plus I plus g plus x minus. So now we have to substitute the functions. So we know y is equals to 20 plus 0.8 y minus 10. This is one function being given, plus I is being given 10, g is being given 10, plus 0.3 y star minus 0.3 y. So now we know that since y star is equal to y, then x will be this one and my net exports will be 0. So y is equals to 20 plus 0.8 y minus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 0.3y minus 0.3y, or y is equal to 20 plus 0.8 y minus 10 plus 10 plus 10. We are simplifying the equation. Okay. So 20 plus 0.8 y minus 8 plus 20. So here we finally come y is equals to 0.8y plus 32, or y is equals to 32 by 0.2, that comes to 160. So this is the final answer. We have find out first y. So now our question was to compute the multiplier. Now we know the general multiplier in an open economy, that is being given by k 1 by 1 minus c 1 minus t plus m. So here c is being given as 0.8. Then t is what? T by y. That is 10 by y. Okay. Now, but since t is fixed at 10, so we will use fixed lump sum. Okay. Not rate. So that is t is equal to 0. And m, we know m is the marginal propensity to import. So that is 0.3. So then my multiplier becomes k is equals to 1 by 1 minus 0.8 plus 0.3. So that is 1 by 0.5. So that brings to 2. So my correct option will be option 2.